What's the deal, YouTube? It's Butchie360, and you already know what's going on. You already know the medium waiver. Shout out to my coarse waivers. Shout out to my straight hair waivers. I love y'all. But this is Butchie360, the medium waiver. All right? And today's topic is going to be about, hold on. How to get your connections back. Your connections. You don't know what connections are? The connections in your waves, how to get them connected, how to get them back in 30 minutes. This video will help you. It'll be a great method. And make sure you guys got your brush, you got your do-rag, and you got your mirror. Don't watch my videos if you don't have a brush, a mirror, and a do-rag. When you get that notification, you go have that do-rag, that brush, and that mirror. All right, because I mean business. All right? I'm currently 7 weeks of woofing right now. I got 2 more weeks left. The woof ends December 10th against Rico the waiver. He challenged me. So you know what time it is. And yes, he's a Corsair waiver. No disrespect to the Corsair waivers, but I'm a medium waiver. And you already know I'm going strong. Alright? Alright? Now let's get into this video. Bop! Hey man, since y'all support me so much, y'all remember when I was trying to get that swirl and I kept showing y'all like I'm trying to get it. I was getting so many comments. Oh, you're not brushing right. Oh, you're doing this wrong. You're doing that wrong. And I noticed. At first, I wasn't going to believe you. I'm like, man, I could get the swirl. I'm like, I'm not going to listen to the negativity. I'm not going to listen to it. But I started looking at my pattern and looking at the back. Like, I have been brushing beehive since the longest. Like, ever since I started having waves, I've been brushing like a beehive. And by me trying to get the swirl was kind of like, it was kind of hard because, like, I wasn't brushing right. And it was just too much. You feel me? So I'm currently trying to get that beehive strong. I'll get the swirl another time. I'll get it another time. But I've been trying to get that beehive, man. Excuse the do-rag, man. If you're a real waiver, I know you got do-rags that look like this. Not all do-rags are gonna be perfect. They not all gonna be straight. You feel me? If you've been through them hard times and you've been through them struggles, you feel me? Them struggles, you feel me? When you got the bristles falling out the brush, and it look like a comb now, yeah. All right, yeah. You ain't real struggle, you feel me? But man, let's come out the do-rag. Whew. I ain't showed y'all my waves since my last video. Excuse that line. I had my do-rag on too tight. Whew. Don't y'all ever, like, you put your do-rag on and you take it off, you got a big red ring right here because it been on too tight? Like, I don't know. I think I be having my do-rag on too tight because my head be lightheaded when I come out of it. But as y'all can see, you see that beehive coming in? Comment if you see progress. I've been brushing. This was 7 weeks of woof look like. I've been taking care of my woof, I feel. And I've been brushing. Connections coming in stronger. But yeah, like I'm telling y'all, the whole point of this video is to get your connections back in 30 minutes. You feel me? And I'm finna show y'all right now. It's not too much and it's not too hard. You gotta be dedicated and you gotta be motivated. You gotta have a brush, you have to have a mirror, and you have to have a do-rag. You hear me? Butchie gang. You hear me? Butchie say it the best. All right, make sure you got your brush. You see I got the Torino Pro. I gotta order me some more of these. I love the curved brushes. I suggest y'all get curved brushes. Because I don't know, you see the curve? It just gotta, you see that, right? You see how I clean that brushes? Get into it. Make sure you got your brush. We finna start brushing. Hey, y'all really want me to tell y'all the secret to get your connections back even quicker? Brush. This is gonna get your connections. This is gonna get you the waves. This gonna get females seasick. You ever been seasick before? Do you want to be seasick? Pick up your brush. Come on, you watching this video while you in bed. Get out of bed and get your brush and get in the mirror. All right, let's get this brush action in. Boochie gang, we lit. We lit. This is my weak side. But hey, it's been coming in stronger though. I ain't even gonna lie. I've been putting in that work. I've been putting in that work, man. I've been putting in that work. As y'all can see, I've been putting it in. But yeah, brushing consistently, especially in the same spot, is gonna get that connection right. Because as you brushing it, it just keep overlaying and overlaying them waves. And it's gonna knock on track. It's like train tracks. It's gonna knock right on track where it needs to go because you brushing it to the next track. You understand? So as you keep brushing it and you keep brushing it consistently, it's gonna knock on the wave track. And when it's on the wave track, you're gonna be dipping. And that's connections, right? Just like Wi-Fi. You got Wi-Fi at home. You need connection, right? I know most of y'all play Fortnite, because I do. And if you play Fortnite, comment your PSN so you can play me. Let's get back to this wave stuff. You know, I gotta be a little funny. I can't just be too serious about waves. Like, I'm serious about waves, but I can't just be too serious with y'all. I gotta have a little fun. We gotta have a little laugh. Let's get this brush session. You see the waves, though. Y'all see them? My connections are starting to come in stronger because I've been brushing consistently in the same spot. In the same spot. As you brush consistently in the same spot, your waves gonna come in stronger. More definition. You want that definition. You don't want to just have lumps everywhere that's not connected. You want your waves to connect. You want them to look great. My waves, they almost there. I ain't gonna lie. I got a lot of work to do, but hey. I've been working. Hey. I've been working though. And can't nobody take that away from me because it's my grind. I've been working for it. Ain't nobody been brushing my hair, and I ain't been brushing nobody else's hair. All right? Ooh, look at these waves. I think, hold on. Hold on. Hey, don't get me wrong. I got a couple forks, man. Get off my head. But hey, I'm brushing through them forks. Yes, you can brush through forks. Yes, you can knock it on the right track. Yes, because I did it. I did it before. People that's telling you no, I did it. I experienced it. I went through it. I did it. So I'm telling you, if I did it, you could do it. We got the same 24 hours in a day, brother. Come on now. As I was telling y'all, man, at that beehive, cause that swirl, you can still kind of see the swirl, how it was swarming, but I'm just changing it to the beehive, man. It's kind of easy for me to change it because the swirl wasn't fully like developed and not there yet. So it's easy for me to just to kind of switch it and try to get it to the beehive. But hey, my beehive gonna be there though. Don't get me wrong, I've been working on my beehive. I've been going hard. And I'm gonna make a video about it too. You hear me? But yeah, let's get to it. Pick up your brush. Hey, pause the video. If you don't have a brush, go get your brush. And go get your mirror. Because I like for y'all to brush with me. I don't like just brushing for y'all. Because we in this together. We a family. Alright? It's Boochie 360, man. Let's get to it. Ooh. I've been brushing though. I don't know if y'all could tell. If y'all watch my last videos or any of that, I've been brushing, man. I've been putting in work. I don't know if y'all could tell it though, but y'all let me know. Y'all let me know, man. Y'all let me know. Cause y'all hear from me. At the end of the day, I love y'all. Y'all my supporters, man. Without y'all, man, I'll probably be bald-headed. I'd be bald-headed without y'all. But I love y'all. So make sure you picking up that brush and you brushing. You brushing. Make sure you picking up that brush and you brushing. I'm trying to have that crown right. I'm trying to have that crown right before December 10th. When my woof is over. Like I told y'all, I'm currently 7 weeks of woofing right now. This is what 7 weeks of woofing look like. 6 or 7 weeks, one of those. But hey, I'm close. I'm close. I'm close to that 9 market. Alright? But yeah, you want to brush basically to get them connections right and going. You want to keep brushing consistently. Consistently. Don't go hard one day and then the next couple of days you slow down because, oh, I went hard just that one day. Go hard every day. Even if you can't go hard as much as you went the first day, try to go a little harder if you can, or do better. Try to better yourself. Because by you going hard, that's like me going hard today and tomorrow I slack, I don't brush. What was the whole point of me going hard yesterday and I'm just chilling the next day? You want to stay consistent. You want, because I could tell, I'm going to start doing wave checks. I'm going to do a wave check video. I'm going to let y'all know when. I'm going to go to a mall and I'm see anybody with a do-rag. I'm going to tell them just like this. Hey, wave check, bro. Wave check. Let me see the waves. You keep wearing this do-rag. Let me see the waves. You feel me? And if you don't have no waves, I'm not gonna talk bad about you. As long as I know you've been putting in that work in, I'm going to say, man, wave check. Wave check. Wave check, sir. You feel me? But yeah, I got some heat coming. I got some heat coming. You feel me? Start brushing fast. But you want to be careful when you're brushing fast, because you know how you brush fast and you starting to go back, you can push your hair back and then you got to brush it back down. And it's gonna mess up. It's gonna be funny acting. You feel me? But yeah, man. That's basically what you want to do to get your connections back in 30 minutes and have it right. You want to brush rapidly. Keep brushing that same spot. Keep brushing it. Just keep brushing. Now, I guarantee you'll see improvement. You don't have to believe me, but try it. I want you to try it, because you never know. You never know something until you try it. You feel me? So just try it. Don't be scared. All right? Like I told y'all, it's Bucci gang. We stay lit. You know we stay lit. We stay turned. All my supporters know that since day one. We stay turned. And make sure you get this video a thumbs up. Get this video to 100 thumbs. If y'all really mess with me, get this video to 100 thumbs. I know I got 100, for sure 100 solid supporters that love me. I got almost 5K subscribers. But I know at least, deep down, I probably got 100 real supporters. I don't know. Y'all show me. Try to get this video 100 thumbs up. Comment what y'all think of the video. Comment. Let me know. Comment Bucci gang. Comment Bucci gang if you think I'm going to win this wolf challenge against Rico, the coarse hair waver. Comment Bucci gang, man. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Alright? I love y'all, man. I'm going to keep dropping heat. Alright? Like I told y'all, man, it's Bucci gang. We lit. Get your connections right. Get your mind right. Get your brush right. And we going to stay lit, alright? It's Bucci gang. I'll see y'all in a couple days. Bye.